Hi, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to try Slurp Farm Millet Noodles Curry Masala flavor. No maida and no fried. Net weight 192 grams. Let's open the contents of the pack. Now let's start the preparation. First take a pan, pour 1 liter water. Boil it. Cook the noodles in 1 liter boiling water for 4 to 5 minutes. Wait for 4 to 5 minutes. Boiling completed. Drain the hot water and rinse the noodles with cold water. Now take a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the spicy mix. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. I am adding onion, carrot, capsicum, cabbage. You can add vegetables as per your choice. Now add some salt as per your taste. Now finally add the cooked noodles and mix it well. Millet noodles cooking completed. Now serve it hot.